To make this 3D paper star using a template from Make It Paper, you need one sheet of yellow cardstock or thick paper. I recommend using a paper that is more than 200 GSM. And for preparing the pieces for this project, you have two options. Option 1 is to print the template using any black and white printer. After printing, score all the lines inside each piece. Scoring simply means creating a crease using any pointy tool. I'm using an empty pen here. This makes them easier to fold later. After scoring, cut the template using scissors or a cutter, whatever you prefer. Option 2. If you have a cutting machine like Cricut, Silhouette, Brother or any other machine, you can use that as well. After cutting, you will get the pieces like these. If you look at these pieces, you will notice two types of lines. Wherever you see a straight line, you need to make a valley fold. That means fold it towards you. And for the lines with a little circle at the center, you need to make a mountain fold. That means fold it away from you. After folding, the pieces should look like this. Now take the first and second piece and look for matching numbers on the edges. As you can see, both these pieces share a number 3, so these two pieces will join along this edge. To join them, I'm using a regular white glue and applying a thin layer using a toothpick. In the same way, glue all the pieces together. Try to attach one flap at a time and slowly close the shape. Your 3D paper star is ready. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy crafting!